Hello and welcome back. I'm on the Campbell River Fishing Pier, the heart and soul of Campbell River. I'm filming this on a JVC 4K camera with an Me-1 Nikon microphone. And this camera is great in low light situations. It has a very good CMOS center on it. It's able to capture really nice colors, by the way. This camera is dust proof, waterproof, and shock proof. Now if you have a microphone plugged into it, it can be that, but when you have a microphone plugged into it, you get great sound. Right now I have the Me-1 microphone plugged into it. This is the Campbell River Fishing Pier. It's just a little bit after 8 o'clock right now. The sun's starting to set. So, yeah. Sunset, and I'm using a Scorpion gimbal right now. It's a stabilizer, very good, and this Me-1 microphone is just fantastic.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
But when you fish, do you keep the fish?
This is a great test right now because you get to see what it looks like in a low light situation because the sun is setting. So this is the JVC 4K camera with an Me-1 microphone. This is where people clean their fish when they catch fish here. Campbell River is the #1 salmon capital of the world, of course. Very famous for fishing. So a lot of fishermen fish off this pier here. And as you can see, there's lots of boats here ready to fish. And you can always get covered under here if it's raining, which is nice. Campbell River Fishing Pier is absolutely stunning no matter what time of night it is. This is definitely one of the hearts and soul of Campbell River. I would put the Campbell River Fishing Pier up with the Foreshore Park. Foreshore Park and the Campbell River Fishing Pier are definitely my favorite places in Campbell River to go for scenery and just atmosphere, really. Let me just zoom in on that mountain over there to show you how good the optical zoom is on this. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing that I can get that close all the way from this fishing pier. This is absolutely stunning. This is the Campbell River Fishing Pier at sunset.